Why aren't you wearing pods, man?
Because my ears aren't pods, man.
Stop. Say no to AirPod vapes. They're another form of corporate viral marketing engineered to make you buy a clunky, unnecessary, and overly expensive product. Stay tuned for how you too can make your own inexpensive earpod device almost free of charge.
YouTube, what's up? YouTube, what's up? We're gonna be helping you out today, making you some earpods. I've already finished up a set here. These things are really on fire right now, so we're gonna be doing a whole set of them. But I'm gonna show you how to make an AirPod here. Just one, but if you replicate this process over, you can make as many AirPods as you want, as long as you have the sheets of paper. So first thing we're gonna do now is cut a rather squarish or rectangle out of the paper. You're going to cut again right here. You see that there? We're going to roll this around now, just like this. And you see how we have that there? Now we're going to just cut off this section, and we're going to do this now. And you see we're going to roll up here, just like this. You see that? That's pretty awesome looking already, right? And now we're going to roll up this side. So now we have two rolled up sides, but on this side we're going to fold here. So you have it, it looks like we got all the other one done. There we go, you can just fix that right away. And then you're going to fold it again. And that is how you make an AirPod. And you're just going to put them in your ear. You can get it in there. And now you look beautiful.